everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm going to make the capellini pasta or the angel hair pasta. I really love this pasta because this is very thin, the cooking time is really less, and above all it goes great with every kind of simple sauce. So let's quickly check the recipe and after that we will talk more about the pasta. So keep watching. To start the recipe, first I'm going to cook the capellini pasta. For that, first in a saucepan I'm going to take water, and when the water starts boiling, I will add 2 servings of angel hair pasta. And how to measure the pasta? Simple. Just second joint of your index finger and there you go. Now put them into the boiling water and cook for 2 minutes as directed on the packet. Now drain the excess water using a colander and run the pasta under cold water to stop the further cooking. Now keep aside. To make the creamy shrimp sauce, in a pan take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also take 2 tablespoons of butter. To this add 1 tablespoon or 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds. Next add 1/4 cup of celery. Cook for a minute. Next add half cup of pre-cooked and de-shelled shrimp and cook for a minute or 2. Make sure the temperature of the stove is on low so that the shrimp doesn't burn. Next add 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of whole cream, and if you want to add the low fat cream then go for half cup, and 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese straight into the pan. Now mix the ingredients and wait till it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, add freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/4 of oregano, and a bit of dried basil, which is optional. And finally, salt to taste. Now add the pasta and mix all the ingredients. At last, I am going to add 1/4 cup of snow peas and a little bit of baby spinach. These vegetables goes really great with cheese and the cream, so make sure to add them to add few flavors. That looks perfect. Turn off the stove and serve hot and enjoy a delicious meal. And now it's time to taste. Pasta is really delicious. The angel hair pasta is made up of the durum wheat and is very thin, so the cooking time is really less. It took like less than 2 minutes to cook the pasta to the al dente. You can add any kind of simple sauce to this pasta and enjoy a delicious meal. I added cream, but if you want to avoid, you can also go for red sauce or the tomato sauce and add your choice of spices to make it your favorite one. Vegetables like celery, snap peas, spinach goes really great with the cream and parmesan cheese. You can also add carrots to add more flavors and colors. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time there is an update. I'll see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.